Hello, welcome to this presentation about Jim Goldberg by Rocky Lee. Born in 1953, James Goldberg from New Haven, Connecticut was an American artist whose work reflects collaborations with ignored, neglected, or non-mainstream populations. Many of his works are in black and white and often contain writing. Some famous publications of photography books of his were Rich and Poor in 1985, Raised by Wolves, 1995, and Open Sea in 2009. Goldberg's works were also put in museums, art galleries, and exhibitions in universities. Some museums include the exhibitions at Akron Art Museum, the Salsette Museum. Some galleries include Blue Sky Gallery and Equivalence Gallery. Some universities include Indiana University and Western Washington University. Goldberg's work focused on the subject heavily. To get the picture, Goldberg essentially went to the subject, traveling around as if working a documentary. He used a straightforward approach called cinema verite, essentially using the fundamental skills of photography to unveil truths about the subject. As seen in the photograph on the right, from Rich and Poor, 1983, Goldberg used interpretive photography with black and white and rule of thirds along with written text to convey the truth about the subject in a multimodal way. Another photo from Rich and Poor in 1983 depicts a 29-year-old female who recently moved to San Francisco. The photo uses frontal lighting and the rule of thirds to capture the subject and her surroundings to illustrate city hardship. It also gives the subject a narrative and tells a story. In this photo from Open Sea in 2009, the rules of odds was used to capture Joe in this picture. The edit of written text shows why Joe is missing a leg. In addition, the use of interpretive photography showcases the same ideas as well. This is the conclusion of my presentation on Jim Goldberg. Thanks for tuning in.